Okay, guys, can I tell you something? I got robbed by another person by my own thing. Yeah, sounds a bit weird, but someone hacked into my account knowing my password and also knowing my username. But they also stopped me playing games. So all night yesterday I tried to get sorted. And off camera I went to stage 4, which was impossible for me. I don't know how I made it last time playing with my friend. Actually with my cousin. Sounds already. I'm going to show you something. Look, that's the scoreboard. I'm on 4, like right there. And someone's already on 14. And she or he didn't die. What the? This is impossible for me right now. I just want to see what people are texting. Nothing. Let's just text nothing. There. Enter. Just done that because it didn't make sense. I don't know why it doesn't even show. You know what? It was pretty much nothing. I didn't even touch it. Guys, if you saw me touch it, tell me down below. I like this name. He looks fancy. I'm going to just a bit. Yeah. I don't like that. I really don't. I'm the only person who's on level 4. Come on. Wait, I don't see anyone there. I finally made that part through. Now, the extra hard. Seems easy, right? Wrong. It's super hard on the last one. Look, there's my head, and look, I was very last. I like the zooming part. Does much stuff much quicker. And it actually helps me jump. Okay, I touched that one. Zoom in. She looks exactly like me. I like this. If I die one more time, I'm going to really play something else. Something I like to play. There's really no sign where I died. I'm going to try one. This is for sure the last one, I promise. No. Okay. I said it. Guys, if you like this game, just tell me down below and I'm going to play more. Oh, my ears feel much better now. I do not like that obby too much because it sounds so weird. Let's see, which one did I play with my friend? Which one did I play with my cousin? Which one did I play yesterday? Which one did I play? 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 Which one will 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 I play? Let's play this one. Did you hear that? That gave me a fright. Okay, that was creepy. Bowlings are going. We're not hitting them down, and he's not moving. Okay, that's just weird and creepy. How much do I need? 70. I got already 25. Let's say 75, so 50 more. Come on, 10 more I need. Bingo. I got 80. What's the upgrade? Oh, just that. 150. Yeah, 150. Guys, I'm going to see you in a sec. Okay, I saw you in a sec, yeah. You might see my mom in a second, because she's going to come look at my work. Yeah, because I totally finished my homework from school today. So mostly, yeah. Any questions you have put down below, I can answer them in some videos. So yeah, come on, just a bit, Mom. Yeah, that'd be good, probably. Upgrade is 400. Okay. Let's get 900 to get the next bowling alley and the operator. See you in a sec. Sorry, I had to do something for my mom for a second. Wow, we got 4,000 as I was doing that to my mom. Okay, that's enough for her to get that. Yes. Oh, 1,000. Okay. 1,050. Okay, we're going to need to, wait. 4,000. Exactly 4,000. That gave me a fright. Wait, how much bowling balls? Wait, that was a double bowling ball. See? We need balls. I saw, look, some of these balls are up above there, see? And see, like that? They're going back. Those two are going back like crazy. Okay, let's just carry on. I just imagine we don't even see a thing. We're almost there. Just 2,000 left. Ooh, 1,000. Then we are done. I hope so. Yeah, we just need 1,000. Come on. That's almost it. That's almost it. I'm done. Yeah, that happens, yeah. You're going to need 5,000 plus 2,000. Okay, 7,750. Guys, I'm going to see you in a sec. So see you in a second. Hey guys, and now we have 7,000. Well, I wasn't expecting over that second. Whew, that was good. Now, whoop. Oh, we don't have enough. Wait, we're going to have 2 more. That's 10. Oh, we're going to need to wait another second. See you in another second. Okay, that was just a second. Nice. Get that now. And we just need just a few more. Let's see how quick it gets 1,000. Let's wait for 1,000, then we can count up. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7 seconds. 1,000. 7 seconds. Oh, that person's looks nice. Let's go check theirs out. And messing it out, messing this out. Oh, by the wall. Well, fine. I want to see this. They're missing a bowling ball right here. I want to see 25. That's loads. Okay, some people would beat here. Ooh, bowling balls. Ooh, he still needs some. Wait, where are the bowling things? Are they behind this wall? I think so. Uh-huh. How much? He has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He has 10. Sometimes I look down. I just like looking down. Oh. Yes, please accept. There are sometimes friends who like to just tell me, new friend, yay, I have a new friend. Hopefully. Yeah, hopefully. Hey guys, I'm going to do some off camera, so smash that like button, subscribe, and also hit that little bell icon. And guys, do you want to, I'm going to do some off camera, but I'm going to make a part 2 where I almost finished the whole thing. So, bye!